Welcome to the Empower Automated Portfolio Review Usage Experience. Links to Empower are included in the description below. Empower, previously known as Personal Capital, offers an automated portfolio management solution designed for those seeking a balance between low-cost investing and professional financial planning. It's ideal for individuals who want to streamline their investment process while still benefiting from a high level of personalization and financial insights. Empower's automated portfolio management focuses on smart diversification. It uses a mix of low-cost ETFs across asset classes, such as equities, bonds, and alternatives, to optimize risk-adjusted returns. The platform employs tactical asset allocation, which dynamically adjusts investments based on market conditions, ensuring your portfolio remains aligned with your financial goals. A standout feature of Empower is its holistic approach to wealth management. The platform integrates seamlessly with Empower's comprehensive financial dashboard, providing a complete view of your net worth, cash flow, and retirement progress. This makes it more than just a robo-advisor. It's a full-suite financial tool that ties together your investments, budgeting, and long-term goals. The fee structure is competitive, with an annual advisory fee starting at 0.49% for portfolios under $1 million. While this is slightly higher than some traditional robo-advisors, Empower compensates by including access to human advisors who are certified financial planners, CFPs. This feature is particularly beneficial for users who require professional guidance on complex financial matters or significant life changes. Empower also provides tax optimization, including tax loss harvesting and tax allocation strategies, which can enhance after-tax returns. Another key advantage is the platform's retirement planning tools, allowing users to simulate various scenarios to ensure they're on track for their financial future. With a user-friendly interface and mobile app, Empower makes it easy to monitor your portfolio, adjust your financial goals, and communicate with advisors. It's tailored for investors looking for more than passive management, offering a mix of technology-driven efficiency and human expertise. In conclusion, Empower Automated Portfolio is perfect for those who want a robust, all-in-one financial platform that combines automation, personalization, and professional advice. If that aligns with your needs, check out the links in the description to explore more.